Right, I'm back again. I'm just going to go through, well, the drip price action, to be honest, because we have got, as you know, I've got a few things coming out soon. October 18th, everything's going to start kicking off. I think some marketing going at the moment, and I know there'll be a lot after 18th of October. So, yeah, it's all looking good for drip at the moment. If you're not into drip, and you want to be, I'll leave the link in the description, and also if I remember, I'll leave it above top of this video. You'll see it kind of moving about here somewhere, so hopefully that comes through. And there's the drip garden as well, which is a good one. You got a drip community faucet, which is a good one to get on, where you get the 1% a day, and then you've got the garden, which is actually just over 3%. But yeah, I think I've got another video on that. I'll leave some links in the description to the videos where you can watch, what shows you how to get started with drip with your Metamask and everything else. So I'll put them in. But yeah, just have a look at price of drip. I'm not going too far back because obviously when it come down with everything what gone off with Animal Farm shutting down for a bit, and price of cryptos, how they've come down, so it's not worth going back here. So I'm just starting it from back this area so we can get a good idea from June. Yeah, as you can see, it's in quite a range at the moment. I mean, it's kind of like stuck. It went up to just over $10. It went as low down as well, just under, around about $4.7, $4.07. That kind of area, just under $5. So yeah, it wasn't too bad, and it didn't get any further than that. It bounced straight back up, as you can see. It was like a bouncy ball. It just hit it and then come back up. So yeah, whatever Forex is doing, he's doing it right, because it didn't get any further than that. And he come out a little bit. This is the 20-day moving average, to be honest. As you can see, we're getting a nice curve starting on this. This is what we want. There's a nice curve coming on. So we've gone from this, just curving off a little bit. And we had a little breakthrough on it then. It kind of like bounced here up, hit this resistance area, come back down. We just come under, we just leveled off a bit under this 20-day moving average. So yeah, I think there's a bit of resistance at the moment around this area. This is where it broke through, because it didn't manage to get up to here, broke through, went way down. If you look at these though, when it got to here, there was quite a lot of selling pressure, and then these slowed down, even though it's going down. If you look how small they are, and then we had a big one here. A lot of these are based on when Forex Shark's doing his AMAs, when people have been expecting more from him, when they haven't been listening properly, to be honest, and they've expected more out of the AMA, and all they've got these kind of like dates and things like that. So yeah, the ones who trust in Forex, we hold on. So people come and go. That's the way it is. But yeah, there's a little resistance here in this area. As you can see around this, if you follow that line along, which is kind of matching up with that. If I pull another line in, put this in, around about this area is kind of like lining up with that one. So we've got one at bottom here, kind of got this area where it went up, all the way down, bounce, and then again. So we've got a couple of area resistance around this area. We've hit that again. But yeah, this curve's still going up, so it'd be nice to get back up here again. I think we will. I don't think it'll be much longer. But yeah, it's very, the cells are very small. Got a big one here, and then we've leveled out again. So yeah, it's not looking too bad at all. So yeah, I think it's worth DCAing, dollar cost averaging some more, and definitely hydrating, and just holding out while everything opens back up and building as bags up as this. I mean, to be honest, I come in when it was pretty high, when it were in its hundreds, and it come down, and I'm still in profit now with compounding. So that's the beauty of compounding. I'm still plenty in profit. So yeah, I'm happy with the position what I'm in at the moment. So yeah, all's good on that one. Just coming away from drip for a bit, I'm just looking at Gala as well. Gala's a nice token to invest in at the moment. That's the same again. I put some links for this, if you remember, in the description. Now you buy this and a bit more about it. But yeah, they've been hitting this resistance line here for a while. It's not too bad. Don't seem to be dropping below this at the moment, so it might be a good area to buy in at the moment. But if you don't know Gala, they're really good. There's a lot of good stuff coming out. They're a lot into Web3, gameplay, music, a bit like Spotify kind of thing, and they're getting into films now, a bit like this. There is talk that they could be new Netflix. Gala could, and we know what Netflix is like on its shares. So yeah, if you've got money in Gala, be laughing. Yeah, so what I'll do is I'll just show you a little video, just a little intro video what they did, just to give you an idea of who they are, and I'll see if we can dig some more bits on them as well. So yeah, looking pretty good, and these nodes what you buy for the movies, I think they're pretty expensive, but obviously for the future of what they're doing, could be a really good investment. I think it'll get like I don't know how they work exactly. I did put a video out on it, what I've been reading, and yeah, some kind of a share what you have in, you get returns, rewards. I don't know if it's how many times movies played or whatever. I'm not 100% sure, so you need to go into that a bit more. I'll try and find some more bits out, do another proper video on it. It's very similar to the music one, what they do, which is kind of similar to Spotify as well. So yeah, it's worth looking at that one. So yeah, let's see how we go with all this. I'm gonna wrap this one up for now. It's only been a short one. I know it's been a bit random, but yeah, I need to put another one together a bit better. Some more on Drip. Drip's doing really well. So like I say, if you want to get into it, some links in description, and there'll hopefully be one above this video. Like I say, if I remember, I'm a nightmare. So good luck to you all, and yeah, let's keep earning with crypto.